Here we have a question. Both the CISC and RISC architecture have been developed to reduce dash. So options are cost, time delay, C semantic gap, and D all of the mentioned. We know that all the processor including CISC and RISC are designed to reduce the cost and time delay. But the primary goal is a different thing. The primary goal is to reduce the semantic gap. Now what is semantic gap? Semantic gap is a difference in the meaning between constructs formed within different representation systems. In computer science, the concept is relevant whenever ordinary human activities, observations, and tasks are transferred into a computational representation. In computer, these real-world parameters such that human activities, observations, and tasks are formed in high-level languages. So let us see this picture. So all these parameters like human activities, observation, and task, they are in these application domain. And here we use languages like high level languages, and software designers are here in this domain. And we have a one more domain that is called the execution domain. Here generally we use low level languages and CPU is here. So actually the gap between these application domain and execution domain is coined as semantic gap. Okay, so the question was, both the CISC and RISC architecture, that means the processors, have been developed to reduce what? So the answer is semantic gap. So processors are always designed to reduce these semantic gap.